Hi everyone, welcome back to the A Node.js series. So I'm going to start a Node.js series, right, where you will learn from scratch to the advance about the Node.js concepts. So my way will be the similar as I have created the AWS series. So in this series, I will explain you about the theoretical part from the GitHub page like this. I will create a GitHub page for every topic and I will add the code in the page, right? And I will showcase you from the VS Code about most of the concept of Node.js. So what we are going to learn on Node.js in this series. So I have added the table of content and I think I have covered all the topics which is most popular in Node.js. Please let me know if I am missing any topic. So yeah, okay. So so what topic I am going to cover in this series? So I have divided all the concept into the sections. So I have one section one, which is the introduction and setup. So I will explain the basic things in these sections, like what is a Node.js, why it is used, what is the difference between Node.js versus browser JavaScript, right? Vanilla JavaScript, you can say how setup of Node.js and PM running your first Node.js program, right? Understand the REPL Node.js architecture, what is the event loop, what is a single threaded, multi-threaded, blocking, non-blocking code. So I'm going to cover this section one, right? All these concept in a section one, and in section two, I will go to the core concept like what is a module in Node.js, right? Creating and exporting module, built-in module, understand the require and import global objects such as a underscore directory name, file name, what is a process object. So that's all which I am going to cover in the core concept. And regarding the file system and operating system, here you can read that what topic I'm going to cover. And in a section 4, I will explain you about the event and async programming. And these are the key concept which I'm going to explain you under this section. And in the section 5, I will explain you HTTP and building services, right? Uh, So here I have mentioned all the concepts what I am going to explain you under this section. After that, I will explain you Express.js and its related concept. And then we will discuss more about the backend development concept, right? MVC architecture. And in section 8, we will also discuss about the database, right? MongoDB and MongoDB and SQL. I will try to explain you SQL as well. And authentication and security, I will also covered in this series, right? With the help of JW token. So section 10 will be the advanced topic, right? We will discuss these advanced topic, and 11 we will try to write some unit test cases for Node.js application. And in our 12th section, we will discuss how to you deploy your Node.js applications related stuff. And in section 13, we will discuss some real world projects. Okay. And 14, we will discuss some performance optimization, how you can how you can increase the performance of your Node.js application, and we will discuss more extra concept of Node.js. So that's all for the all the tables of content for Node.js application we will discuss. So let's get started. Yeah, thank you, and please do like, subscribe, and comment if you want any topic that I want to create a video for that. So thank you very much.